Kinilala sa ika-21 Ulirang Ama Awards ang ilang personalidad mula sa iba't ibang larangan at sektor ng lipunan. Si GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe Algozon, kabilang sa mga natatanging amang ginawaran ng parangal. Balitang hatid ni Julio Segovia.
Sa mga salita ni retired Chief Justice Reynato Puno, ang ama ang pundasyon ng isang pamilya.
I like to think that the love gift that will make a father really happy is a well-knit, God-fearing, and law-abiding family.
Sa ika-21 Ulirang Ama Awards ng National Mother's Day and Father's Day Foundation Incorporated, pinarangalan ng mahigit 30 ama, kabilang si GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe Algozon. Kinilalang naiambag niya sa larangan ng business and industry. Kasama ni Attorney Gozon sa pagtanggap ng pagkilala ang may bahay na si Teresa at anak nilang si GMA Films President Attorney Annette Gozon Abrogar.
Ang ama is an important pillar of the family. Kaya they have to serve as the example to their children. Ang pinakamagaling na paraan ng pagtuturo is to serve as an example.
Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang din ni Attorney Gozon ang responsibilidad at tungkulin ng ama sa isang pamilya.
All of my children are married and two have their own children. And this is what is unique. All of us live under one roof and do a lot together as one big family. We travel, we laugh, we cry, we study, we plan together.
Pinarangalan din ng former president ng GMA Network na si Menardo G. Jimenez Jr. Pero hindi siya nakadalo sa okasyon. Ilan pa sa mga binigyang parangal sina House Speaker Sonny Belmonte at DOTC Secretary Jun Abaya.
It is not enough for us good fathers to be good fathers. Kailangan good husbands din tayo.
Julio Segovia, GMA News.